Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a study guide for your sources in NotebookLM. To create a study guide in one of your notebooks in NotebookLM, you're going to go to the Studio column on the right, and you're going to find this tile right here where it says Reports. You're going to click on that and notice that you actually get a number of different options for the format of your report. The very first one is create your own. You can give it specifications that you want, or you can choose a briefing doc, a study guide, a blog post, a historical analysis, a white paper, key thinkers and profiles, debate overview. Now, one of the interesting things about this suggested format uh, option here is this seems to be based on the type of information in the source material. So, given the topic of the source material, these would actually make some sense. I suspect if I had a different notebook with different sources in it, I might get different suggested formats here. So, that's kind of a nice tool where, depending on what you have as your sources, it will give you different ideas or suggestions for things you could create using this report style. Right. So for this one, though, I'm just going to go with study guide. I'm going to click on this. So for teachers who want to put together a study guide for whatever material is in your notebook, you can choose the language. And then notice it already fills in sort of a description here. You're a highly capable research assistant and tutor. Create a detailed study guide designed to review understanding of the sources. Create a quiz with 10 short answer questions. 2 to 3 sentences each, and so on. So that's already been filled in. I did not write that. So these little prompts or descriptions that show up when you choose which type of report you want to generate, those are pretty good starting prompts. You may want to add to it, take away from it, or adjust it to meet your needs. But for the most part, that prompt is already written for you, which is going to save you a bunch of time. All right, now let me generate this, and then we'll see how long that takes. If it starts to take a little bit longer, I'll pause the recording and pick up again once it is done. So now that my study guide is done, here it is right here. It's no longer grinding away here, so you can tell that it's done. If I click on the menu, I can rename or delete it. If I click on the tile itself, here I get the study guide. Pretty long if you look at how much I can scroll here, pretty detailed. If I want, I can copy the content of this study guide with the formatting. And if I wanted to, I could even paste this into a Microsoft Word or Google Doc. Um, if I wanted this to be something I printed off for my students or made available to them on Google Classroom or something, I could actually put it into a regular document, format it maybe a little bit better, more consistently with other documents I might produce. But I get a pretty detailed study guide for this concept, which is kind of nice to have. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.